In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your salary account at Banco do Brasil to another bank. The process is simple, so follow along with me. When you receive your payment through the salary account, the transfer option won't appear in the regular transfers or pick screens. This is normal, so don't worry. The correct option is located inside the main menu. To access it, open the menu by tapping the three lines in the bottom left corner. Inside the menu, select Transfers. It's important to use this path because transferring from the salary account only works through this panel. Once you open Transfers, you'll see the option Transfer from Salary Account to Checking Account. That's where you need to go to perform the procedure. I'm not sure why Banco do Brasil hides this function inside the menu instead of placing it on the main transfer screen. But if you don't find it there, it will be in this section. On the next screen, the balance of your salary account will appear along with the available limit. Then just enter the details of the destination account, branch number, and the amount. If you don't have this information yet, open the app of the receiving bank, for example, Bradesco, and copy the required details. I won't show every step in the video, but all you need to do is fill in the information, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. You can make this transfer as many times as you want.